Al, I gotta ask you. You got a laser and you got a CNC going on right there. What kind of
Mhm.
software do you use for those?
The laser, I use Lightburn. It's just classic. I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed, so the easiest software is what I'm going to use. For the CNC, I started out with VCarve Pro, and then about a year and a half ago, we upgraded to Aspire, so we could get them because it'll handle 3D tool pathing. I have tried. I never got SketchUp. I could never figure it out. I never was able to handle Fusion 360. You know, like I see these people running these softwares, and I'm like, man, I'm so jealous. Like I literally, like people can't believe. Like several of my friends who use higher powered versions of softwares, like Fusion 360. They'll ask me who made a file, and I'm like, I did, and they're like, how? And I'm like, I make it in. I'll make files in Aspire and then export them to Lightburn, and people are like, "That's not how you do that." And I'm like, "That's how I do it."
There's
Hey, if
always,
it works,
always,
why not?
yeah, there's always a way around it. Sorry.
Yeah. I'm the king of hacks. You know, if I could figure out a way to shortcut something in software, because I mean, I've had a website for 6 years and it's still not completely up and running because I can't figure out how to get it done.
It's a rough life.
Lightburn and Aspire are the way to go if you're looking for user friendly point and click kind of software. Like people start talking G code, and I'm like, I just hit toolpath enter, and G code pops out. I don't need to know how many lines of code there is.
Yeah, right. Just point at the line, give me a toolpath, and it's ready to go. Send it. Let's go.
That's right. I pick up my little thumb drive and I walk over here and plug it in, and it goes.